Hey there guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to create a Twitter bot. So this bot will be retweeting, like and follow. So everyone are going crazy about their bots on the Twitter. So even I created a bot. So that is the Twitter123@mo, and the codes will be in the repository. So the link will be in the description box below. And I am 100% sure that this is going to be working. So if it worked for you guys, make sure to give a star, so that will be motivating for me. So let me explain, very simple. So the twitterbot_retweet.py is the main file, and the credentials, inside the credential you have to add the API keys. So I'm not worried about these API keys, so I'll be probably deleting this app. I'll be deleting this app, and in the config.py you have to just enter the hashtags you want to retweet. So I have set it as hashtag cybersecurity. So for example, if you want to retweet on multiple hashtags, you have to just do a comma and add the hashtags. And I have set the like as true, which means it will be liking whichever the post has hashtag cybersecurity. So if you don't want to like the post, you can just enter false, followed by the capital F, and followed by the capital F and small letters FALSE will be small. So I think you will be from the coding side. And as well as for the Twitter, the follow thing, you can just enter the false. So that's it about the codes. It is very much simple, so everyone can understand. And you can just do a git clone of this, and you can just enter Python 3 and the main file, that is the twitterbot_retweet.py. So once you enter this, you can see the magic. So let us see how to use it. So I can see that I have created the app. So after this, I can create an app. After only 24 hours, I can create an app. So there are some limitations in the Twitter developer account. So it is a lot of process to get the Twitter developer account. So it almost take 24 hours to get the Twitter developer account. And once you have created your app, you can firstly go to the setup. So what we are doing is go to the dashboard, and you can see the app over here. Go to the settings, go to the setup, and click on this and this, and set it as automated app or bot. And don't worry about this. Set as read and write. If it is on read mode, if the app permission is not on the read, then the bot is not going to be working. It will be just reading it, and it will be not retweeting the post. So let's say https twitter.com, and over here I'm going to enter my website. And if you don't want to enter your website, if you don't have any website, you can just leave it as it is, or you can just enter the twitter.com itself. And let's say yes, save it, yes, done, yes, I have saved it. So make sure you have saved all of these keys, and if you didn't save it, no problem, you can regenerate it whenever you want. So that's why I'm not going crazy about the API keys. It is publicly available. My keys are publicly available, so I'm not going crazy about it. So that's it about the architecture of the codes. And let's regenerate the API keys and add it to the file and see it is working or not. So let us go to the credentials.py. So I'm using the IntelliJ IDE. You can also go with the any operating system you are using, so it will be working anywhere. So I'm using the IntelliJ terminal. So the terminal and the Kali Linux terminal are pretty much very same. So in the consumer keys, we are adding the API key and the secret. So I will just enter regenerate and just copy this and paste it in here. And then we are copying the API secret key and just paste it in here. And then finally we are going to copy the access tokens. So the access tokens are the main important ones. Let us copy the access tokens and paste it over here. And then copy the access token secret, paste it over here. And that's it guys. I hope this will be working. So let us run it. So it is working, and let us go to the Twitter retweet bot, the main py. So it should work. So it is working very well. You can see that it has retweeted something. So that is really crazy. So let us stop it. So let us go to the terminal and enter Python. So I hope this will be working for you guys too. So it has worked for me. And if it didn't work, you can just go to the settings and go to your Twitter account settings and go to the security and account access, and you can see connected apps. So inside the connected apps, I'm not seeing anything. So let me refresh it. So there should be an app called Twitter123@more. So let's wait for the app to show. So you can see the app now, and we can see it is set to the read and write. Make sure the permissions are set to read and write. Only if it is in read and write, it will be working. And yeah, let's go over here and enter Python. Let's do a Control-C. Let me stop this shit. Yeah, we have stopped it. And let's go to the terminal and enter Python. So the terminal is pretty much very same to the Kali Linux Python, and enter the main file name. So the main file name is twitterbot_retweet.py. So that's it, guys. You can see it is retweeting. So yeah, let me just, yeah, that's it, guys. We can see it is retweeting. So it has retweeted the @baski_LA who have just posted with the hashtag cybersecurity. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, also you can just set the timings and make sure the timings are like 15 minutes and more. So play safe. The Twitter is giving for educational purpose. So let us set the timing to 10 seconds and see how much retweet it is doing. I'm not worried about the banning. So I'm sure that my bot will be banned. So make sure you give a like and subscribe for doing this. So it is pretty much very fast. So you can see after every 10 seconds it will be retweeting. So let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you can see it has retweeted. So that's it, guys. And if you got any errors, just go to my Discord server. So the Discord server link will be in the description box below. I'm very active in the Discord server and also on my Twitter account. So this is my Twitter account. So that is the Hack Like Hacker. You can also message over here. So we can see the retweeted post. So it is loading. So you can see the retweeted apps. So it has just retweeted 46 seconds ago. And we can see it over here. And make sure you play safe. So you can see as soon as we have set the timing as 10 seconds, it have stopped it. So the Twitter have found that we are spamming, likely to spam. So if you are continuously doing this, I'm sure that your bot will be banned. And not only your bot, your Twitter developer account will be banned too. So play safe, okay? So that's it, guys. Signing off. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel. And see you next video, guys.